My brother didn't even know I'm coming today. Giờ hôm qua bên Brisbane ba là cô Hi guys, I'm here at the airport now. I missed my flight at 7:20. They booked me here at 9:25, so I have to wait another 1 hour. So pissed off. I stand at the queue for like almost 1 hour, and they say the thing is closed. But it's alright. Everything's alright. Today's my RDO, so it's good to go up in Brisbane to see my brother. It's only 2 days, but it's worth it, you know. I hope our Salmon 7 they play well this weekend. Go in Brisbane and then go straight to the game. I think their first game is at 11 AM. I was planning to drive, but there's no point. It's good if you go like 1 week, or if you drive like only 2 days and come back. It's not worth it. You get tired. But thanks to my wife for planning this. My wife planned this. Thanks to my wife for planning this for me. I really appreciate you, and I love you so much. See you on Sunday. I'll be back on Sunday. I'm gonna go get some. If you wanna go get some coffee over there. Yokkia ile mersa babat. Yokkia ile mersa babat ile sabat. Finally arrived here in Brisbane, guys. I'm here in Brisbane now. I'm going to get my bag and then. But was yung pungor sabat ya, or may ako sabat may lalo. So I'm going to get my bag and then go find a rental. Go straight to the game today. I'm waiting for the shuttle. I'm waiting for my bus. It's taking forever to come here. Hopefully I get in time there, so that's it. Hello. I'm finally here at the car rental, so I pick up my car today. I'm inside now. It's pretty good, small one, the cats, but sorted. Everything's sorted. I'm gonna head now to my hotel, check in, and then go visit my brother before the games. So we'll see you guys very soon. It's pretty hot today. But it's alright. It's good weather, you know. Just pump the aircon up, man. And let's go. Let's roll, baby. Oh! Driving to the hotel, check in. We should look at more on it. And it's your girl Victoria on the phone now. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, I didn't eat all day, just ham Oceania in the morning. That's it. My mouth is like a stinky breath.
That freaked me.
Got a stinky breath right now. Stinky breath because I didn't eat anything. My brother didn't even know I'm coming today. I was telling him I'm not coming. It's too far for us, but I'm gonna surprise him at the Malay. I'm going to the game. After the game, I'm gonna go see him at the hotel after the game tonight. Brisbane. Kua vai me Brisbane. Invited ko
the girls Manusina.
Ha?
Manusina 150 to Leo Yonan.
Ya, hau ka ngu mai I le paka o lo whai ka alonga. Sa ungi aku kama ka alu. O mai ra aku maka.
Right to Papua New Guinea, ladies and gentlemen, they have opened up the count on this game. We have Papua New Guinea 5 with a kick to come.
Kyo chao le ile ma. Ora ba ka mo? Me ha ma ka pa ro. O sa wa mo so fok la ro I me nga ila wa. Ya na nga Amerika sa mo. Alwa ya alwa. What's up? What's up? I just woke up this morning. It's 7 o'clock right now. The sun is nice today. That's outside of my room. But everything's good here. I was so baka last night. I was tired. Go straight to bed after the game. The game finished at 9 o'clock I think. I don't know who's gonna play today, but we'll see when we get there. I try to take more videos for this trip. So I'm gonna go shopping to the mall and buy some stuff. We'll see guys. We'll show you guys everywhere today. So yeah, inside my car now. We're gonna
I just want to put a full
drive
stop
to the
because
mall.
we have a there's a certain
Buy some
boss of
stuff
ours
and
I
then
think
go
could hear this
to
and
my
go, we've
brother's
got to bring
hotel.
Dom's Journal and that'd be gold.
And then
That's
gonna have a
never-
breakfast
I would
somewhere.
never
So
read it on the show.
we'll see you guys. City of Brisbane. So I'm here at the mall to come to get some stuff for breakfast. I'm going to have a breakfast first. Yeah boy, it's your boy Georgie. Let's go. So everything's still closed. I think they open at 9 o'clock. So 1 more hour. So 1 hour. Mara ai singa pequena de mas singa bea ai bangai ya nga ka ka di ke de kalai me ai alo fak mo ko your boy Chotti is going to everywhere today. Wari do po feng fare ai ngok kala ka ni nga o me a lokka me ye ko te ko wari lallo ai fare ai ngok Tato watu idalo walota uma mea uma. Hei manga ia fare inga reo le shishiasha. Ka ko fai aro ne afinga le fai sa mo loke loke. Ka ko si ka ko loke loke a. Yo fo so le loka mea ri so le ka kala ri ro ke al bal. Yeah, I'm just having a breakfast now guys. Look at my breakfast now. So fancy smancy, not bad, not bad. Tomato. So yeah, I'm ready to eat now. I'm going back tomorrow, so I enjoyed my Saturday. Going to the gate. Ooh, fancy smancy. So what's everyone doing today? Is everyone alright or what? Hope you guys are well. They don't put wood in the feet. That will be a lot of milk. Sa umangi orang Tapi masuk ala mea ai de put setting ngat. Iya. Aku ke palu mo mengang. Ole ulak wa aku anga fina dunga. Kam si ko ainga. Ya ero ainga. Kam si ro ainga ko anga fina dunga. Mai penga umire ni saude sa wo ya ngade luwa so nang sa. It's good to see him yesterday. He was so happy to see me yesterday. I surprised him, but he didn't get a good video because no one's holding the thing. I was there sitting in grandstand, all of their team, like the Salmon team. I was calling him Terry. When he see me, he said, "What?" Because I told him, "I'm not coming. Busy, ako masaya mo. Mamaw kaya may ngay kayo ka." And he said, "Ano ba? Ako ko rin po. Kaya ko may ngay kayo." Busy ako lah. Ako po kwa uli sakti ya ke mga ko sa wa ju ni simme so de wa uli ngo fo ngi sera sa wa shu shu ko ya wa ni shu la. Yeah, it's beautiful day here in Brisbane. Look at that. Beautiful. It's good if it's been like this all day, but not the rain. Oh my goodness. This one's beautiful. This is how we roll. Yeah, welcome to Logan. I'm here in Logan City now. Going to have some island food over there. So welcome to Logan. Keke buat amarela pamamo e marki. Buka kako na mere wa kupunge. Pai nga kako. Oi, 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 oi. Tôm what's your takeaway? You see, tôm what me also. See my food? I like my food now. I feel like salmon food now. So yeah, after I eat this food, I'm gonna go straight to the game. So busy right now. How busy is that? In the city. Let's go. Take two here in California. Yeah. Oh, kapwa iya sa boro. Komungan uwi. Tôm muốn mà lại mẹ đâu vậy?
Check them out with
Go slow here.
the tropical flavor. Yes,
Save my. Malo kapot.
Once again, thank you so much for being here at Balliol Stadium. If you just joined us, just a reminder, the Smokies are here in the Balliol Stadium.
What's up guys, your boy Joti over here. Going back to camper today, but 7 is not finished, but I had to go back today because tomorrow back to work. So yeah, hopefully Oceania will take this win. But I miss my brother so much. Last night I said goodbye to him. He was crying and I was a little bit upset. Cried too. So yeah, because problem is because I'm the only one who live here. I hardly seen any one of my family for so long. But it's alright. I just tell him, don't worry, we'll be and see each other maybe next year. Yeah, that's why I feel so sad last night. Thanks God for His plan for us. Thanks to everyone who come yesterday. Every one of you guys that come and say hi to me yesterday. So thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. We love you guys so much. The plane guys back to Canberra. Thank you for taking care of me, alright?